If you're a student or a faculty or staff member in Concordia's Faculty of Fine Arts, you can use the patron portal to reserve equipment and spaces. How do you find the portal? If you go to the CDA website and use one of these convenient buttons, Borrow AV Equipment or Book an Editing Suite, that will take you to a portal link. There's also a link at the footer of this page. Let's look at Borrow AV Equipment. Reserve your equipment through the online patron portal. Log in with your Student Hub credentials, or if you're a faculty or staff member, your Carrefour account credentials. On the home page, you can see any upcoming reservations, current checkouts, and the history of your reservations. The easiest way to make a new reservation is to click on New Reservation. Choose the Checkout Center. Let's start by reserving equipment. The Fine Arts Equipment Depot Checkout Center is for reserving equipment in the EV Depot on the 5th floor of the EV building. Take note of the opening hours. Do not schedule a pickup or return outside of these hours. Enter a time for the pickup and return. The reservation has to be made 24 hours in advance, but you can make reservations for any time in the semester. If you need the equipment right now, go to the EV Depot counter in person. I'm going to make a reservation for Monday, and I'm going to bring back the equipment on Wednesday. Checkmark All to confirm your pickup and return time. Now go to the Content icon to add items. Here's a list of all the AV equipment in the EV Depot. Browse the portal to learn about all the resources. I'm going to reserve a camera. Still cameras are under Video Recorder. I'm going to reserve a Canon full-frame camera. Click on the Timeline button to see when the cameras are available. 76, 77, 80, and 94. Let's look at camera 77. When I click on the I button, I can see details about that item. Canon 5D Mark IV CF card slot does not work. That's not very good. Let's click on 79. Canon 5D Mark IV. I'm going to go for that one. Add to cart. If I want to add any other items, I can go back to the main list. I'm going to add a tripod under Video Accessories, Video Support. Once again, click on the timeline to see the availability of the items. This item looks good. Add to the cart. If you don't know what you need and don't understand the choices that are presented in the portal, ask the depot staff for help. Close the window when you have finished adding items. I can see that my reservation here has errors. Let's take a look at what those errors are. Allocation conflicts. The camera that I chose is unavailable, so therefore I'm going to have to make a change. I can see what the software suggests to me with this Select Another Item icon. It's telling me that the following cameras are available. Now I'm ready to save. You will receive a reservation confirmation in your Concordia email account. When you go to the home page on the portal, you can now see that upcoming reservation, and you can click on the reservation to edit it, add or delete items, or change the times, or you can completely cancel it. Now let's reserve a space. New reservation. Fine Arts Audio Video Studios Checkout Center. You can make a reservation for these spaces 15 minutes in advance. You cannot reserve more than 2 weeks in advance, and you cannot cancel or edit the reservation once it is started. so please cancel in advance of your reservation if necessary. I'm going to book a space for next Thursday. Once again, confirm the times with all. Click on the content icon to add a space. Today I'm going to reserve an AV suite on the 5th floor of the EV building. If you're unfamiliar with these spaces, take a look at the Audio Video Suites page of the CDA website. Once again, I'm going to check the timeline to confirm what suites are available. I'm going to reserve a standard suite. Add to cart, and save the reservation. I wish you good luck with your reservations in the patron portal. If you have any questions, please send a message to one of the following email addresses.